Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Rima HoloDesk in RimaTech, a product you may have seen in flashy social ads, but is it legit or a scam? Let's dive in. So there is an independent investigation showing a serious trust issues around RimaTech's online operations. Website link to RimaTech like RimaTechUs.co have scored very low trust rating from scam detectors, flagging the brand as a high risk and unsafe. There are concerns about domain age, hidden ownership, and phishing activity. Another review of the Rima HoloDesk site show a low trust index and copied content. Looking at the customer feedback platform like Trustpilot describes that the order issues, unresponsive support, and missing products after purchase is considered as red flag. Many buyers report tracking numbers that stop working and websites going offline after payment. These are classic scam signals. Flashy ads often show a premium products at unrealistically low prices. Another red flag. Scammers use those deals to rush buyers into purchasing before they research legitimacy. So, is this HoloDesk legit? Strong evidence suggests that it is not a trustworthy brand. Low trust scores, fake reviews, customer complaints, and deceptive pricing patterns mean this looks like a scam or unreliable store than a genuine tech retail. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.